What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, man. Now, if it sounds a little windy, I left my damn headphones and I can't turn back. We're currently walking to the car because today, bro, my hands are literally what I got in my hands, bro. It's the whole fucking front lip, bro. Now, currently, I'm about to head over to my pop's house. Well, I'm about to head over to my boy's house so we can install this lip. It's a good day. The tail lights are in. It's a beautiful day, and this damn front lip, damn niggas just talking crazy. This front lip is heavy as shit. I'm trying to show y'all real quick, bro. Hold on. Damn, I gotta rest this bitch on the ground. Fuck it. But either way, it is a good day. We gonna install this front lip. We're gonna install this Yofer V1 front lip, bro. And this is what it look like. So, boom. You can somewhat, I shouldn't be doing it, but fuck it. I'm gonna have to show y'all how it look real quick. This is what it look like. V1 one piece. Yofer V1 one piece front lip, bro. So we gonna put it on this baby, this bad boy, you know what I mean? And we gonna see what's going on today, bro. It's a good day. I'm gonna see y'all when I'm at the house. We about to prep everything, we about to get it. Wipe down with alcohol. Amy Tuner done sent everything I needed. The screws and the 3M tape. We about to wipe this off. The car is currently dirty, but for the most part, this is what the lip looking like. So you gonna prep it, we gonna get it to get put on, bro. I can't wait for this shit to see how. Oh my god. So we're done putting on the damn lip. Yo, the car is so dirty, bro, but this shit sits so fucking good, boy. Look at that shit. Damn. Now I'm still thinking about putting the S5. I don't know yet, but for the most part, we had a 3M sticky tape going across on the top, some on the bottom, 3 screws underneath to hold it. Yeah, we got 2 in the back. You think so? You feel me? So that's the end of the video. Now you got a snuggish ass feel. So once you put it on, bro, you got a snuggish feeling. Not loose or nothing. So let's hope we don't break this shit, man. So yo, that's the end of the video. I'm gonna wash this car up, clean it up, and make some reels. Make sure y'all follow my car page on Instagram at truly zGappie. I'm gonna leave it somewhere right here. I'm saying make sure you follow me, like the video, share the video, man. Appreciate y'all so much. More, hey, 1,000 sub on the way, man. We have 420, I believe, or whatever 400 I'm at, but 1,000 sub on the way, man. Let's get it.
I just like the sound.